receive our monthly job report next week, it's likely to show that we are continuing to lose far too many jobs in this country. As far as Victor said that he and his wife were able to afford their student loans because our country offered millions of Americans the chance to cap their monthly payments as a percentage of their income. And because of the Affordable Care Act, they now have the security and peace of mind of affordable health insurance. That's why, because of this new law, statements will be required to tell credit card holders how long it will take to pay off a balance and what it will cost in interest if they only make the minimum monthly payments. If they already have diabetes, then having a counselor who's working with them monthly to make sure that they are maintaining the regimens to keep their diabetes under control, that is cost efficient. And when we receive our monthly jobs report next week, it's likely to show that we're still continuing to lose far too many jobs.
I couldn't afford to pay the full amount of the loan on my monthly disability income. So I made the monthly finance charge.
And since that budget was ignored, what were the old annual deficits under Republicans have now become the monthly deficits under Democrats?
We've made it possible for more than 1 million struggling homeowners to reduce monthly payments.
Do you know the monthly premium for a suicide bomber? You have any idea what it is? You know, I was thinking about this.
This is the largest monthly increase in 4 years. That's what we've done consistently over the course of the past 12 months in weekly updates from the field, in monthly meetings with my national security team, and in my frequent consultations with our Afghan, Pakistani, and coalition partners. We need to reach a compromise by Tuesday so that our country will have the ability to pay its bills on time, as we always have. Bills that include monthly Social Security checks, veterans benefits, and the government contracts we've signed with thousands of businesses. We've capped student loan payments so that nearly 1.6 million students, including a bunch of you, are only going to have to pay 10% of your monthly income towards your loans once you graduate. 10% of your monthly income. And a lot of people just said, you know what, even though I'd like to be obviously cutting down my monthly payment, the banks just aren't being real encouraging. And then last fall, I acted to cap student loan payments faster so that nearly 1.6 million students who make their payments on time, they have the option of only paying 10% of their monthly income towards loans once they graduate. Their monthly mortgage bill has now dropped $240 a month. And that means every year they're saving close to $3,000. I'm not going to have a monthly or every 3 months conversation about whether or not we pay our bills. Made it easier to pay back those loans by passing a law that says you'll only have to pay 10% of your monthly income towards your federal student loans once you graduate.